I'm down in the Ianthe Forest at the present time at the Birchfield mine. Now, this is a company that looks after the resources that they're working with, and I'll show you what I mean. You know, as you know, we have a lot of problems with floods and rivers. But the Birchfields, Andrew, they store all of the rock that comes out. This is all glacial moraine rock, very, very strong. And they've stored thousands of tons of it from what I can see. Have a look at this. And that puts Ianthe's in the centre of a couple of major rivers. So if you had a problem at the Waitaha, a problem at the Wanganui River, you've got a massive pile of rock here. I mean, take a look at this. It's all stored there, available to be used. And the day will come when it'll be so valuable and then we won't be able to do without it. We get a major earthquake or we get significant flooding in this particular area. I mean, take a look. Now, they're decent sized rocks. You've just got to applaud those businesses and individuals that think ahead. Keep moving.